Welcome back everybody, I'm Mia So Quick, and in today's video I'm going to continue where I left off. In my last video I put these acrylic nails together, and today we're going to go ahead and design them. Not sure exactly what, but I have something I just got in the mail. I have this Beetles Gel Polish kit that I got off of Amazon.com. The kit comes with 20 different colors. There are 8 pastel colors as well as 8 neon colors and 4 glitters that go along with the base coat, top coat, and a matte coat that's also included. So inside, when you get it, you're going to see they give you some instructions that just tell you how best to apply and to cure it. You'll need a UV or an LED light. And then you can see that the bottles, they're nice little tiny bottles. As I said, there's pastel. There are some neons. And then there are also the 4 glitters that come along with it, as well as the bigger bottles of the base coat, the matte, and the top coat, which is a shiny top coat. So these are what my nails look like now. My previous hand I did with just regular polish with some bright colors and just did a gel top coat over them. So I know I want my nails today to be neon, but haven't really decided on the design. So the neon colors are neon green, there's a neon yellow, there's 2 neon pinks in this kit, as well as a bright fire engine red and a neon orange. There's also a neon purple and blue, but I don't think I'll be using those today. So once again, here are my nails, and let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to go ahead and apply the base coat, and you want to make sure that you put it on in thin layers. Otherwise it's going to be harder to cure, and it might not cure, which can also cause wrinkling on the nail, and no one wants that, and no one wants any wet gel nail polish later on. So once that's done, we're going to go jumping right on into it. I think for my pinky, I'm going to use this neon coral color. Once again, trying to do thin layers. And don't forget to cap off the free edge. I'm going to go in with some acetone and just clean up around the cuticle because I do not want this to cure on my skin. And that looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and cure it under the lamp. After curing, I applied a second coat and cured it again, and then went on to my ring finger and applied this neon yellow on half the nail in sort of a diagonal slant. Once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to go ahead and cure that, and then I'm going to head into my next color, which is this neon orange, to go ahead and finish off the top half. For both of these, I'm going to do 2 coats after curing each time. And I'm satisfied with that, so cure this and moving on. Next, I'm going to take this neon green to my middle finger, and I'm honestly just going to paint where the tip would be, so right past where my natural nail ends. And as you can see, I prefer to cure 1 finger at a time just so that I don't accidentally bump or mess up and then have to go back over it. Because the good thing is, once it's cured, it's not moving. Now for my index finger, I'm going to do a sort of rainbow neon ombre This wasn't the easiest. I should have, probably put my polish on a separate pan, or I probably even could have done a sponge method, but I was just playing around. It still came out okay, but my orange and yellow kind of mixed in more than I would have liked to. Then I decided to go ahead and give myself polka dots on my thumb. I used neon orange, and now I'm picking up the neon yellow to go ahead and fill in the empty spaces as well. I could have used a dotting tool, but because this polish is so thick, right out the bottle seemed to have worked just fine. Okay, now I'm ready for some glitters. I have these little glitters that I'm gonna do right here on this split nail that I have on my ring finger. For some reason, I decided to do this with a brush. I would definitely, doing this again, choose to use something different than the brush because all the glitter was just falling off of it. And I must say, I'm liking how this turned out. And now I'm going to move on to my middle finger, and I'm just going to take some of my top coat and put that across the band where the clear meets the green because I'm going to add some bling. And here they are after they've all been applied, and I'm just adjusting it a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with my top coat, and I'm going to paint the areas above and beneath the crystals. Then after doing a final cure, I took some cuticle oil and I put them on each finger and then just massaged it in. And this is what my nails are looking like. They're really cute, really fun. I feel like a carnival just threw up on my fingers, but I like them. And they go well enough with my previous work that I did. And I'm not sure if you can tell if the light is doing it any justice, but these nails are bright, so they definitely will stand out. I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing a lot of more nail videos and some other things, so please leave a comment for what you'd like to see next. I definitely love being creative. And thanks again, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.